Hi there, my name is Peter Vox and I am the Director and Principal Teacher of Vox Singing Academy, established in 1993 here in beautiful Melbourne, Australia. Welcome to another episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. If you like this channel, please click like and subscribe to keep up with all of our videos. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments section below and I'll be sure to get back to all of them. Most importantly, if we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honored. Please check out the links in the description for more info. We have the Ultimate Online Singing Course, online singing lessons, private online singing lessons all around the world, 7 days a week. We also have private in-studio singing lessons at our 6 beautiful Melbourne studios here. Without any further ado, let's please get stuck into the next question. And the next question is, will the Ultimate Online Singing Course improve my pitch and ear? Yes, it will. The number one main focal point of the Ultimate Online Singing Course and all of our singing lessons is that we want all of our singers to sing in pitch and sing the right notes all of the time. This is the absolute number one cardinal rule in singing. If you are not singing in key or singing in pitch or singing the right notes or picking songs that are best conducive for your vocal range, you won't sound any good. So please remember that. I'm giving you a huge valuable tip there. Please sing in key. It's really important. The Ultimate Online Singing Course guides you step by step, whether you're an absolute beginner, hobby singer that's never sung before, all the way through to professional singers. These courses are step by step, easy to follow, easy to learn, and pitch is of utmost importance. Myself will be guiding you through all the scales and techniques on all of the videos. There will also be a female teacher guiding the females for the higher soprano range, but I start down really low on the bass and go up all the way through to the tenor range, and then the female singer starts in at the contralto, goes all the way through to the soprano range. Great value because my lessons are $120 each, and we do have specific short courses and also areas in all of the 4 full courses that specifically work on your pitch and ear training. So it's a really vital and important part of all of the courses, and that's pretty much it. I hope that answers your questions. No stones will be left unturned in these Ultimate Online Singing courses, so you will be covering all aspects of performing, not just pitch and ear training, but stage presentation, interacting with the crowd, breathing, how to record in the recording studio, touring, vocal health, general health, but mainly improving your voice and applying this to all contemporary genres of singing, except classical. We don't teach classical. As I said, all contemporary genres, so pop, R&B, country, theatre, rock, hard rock, screaming, all contemporary genres. Thank you so much for watching, and again, if we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honored. Please check out the links below for more info, but most importantly, please be good to each other, enjoy your singing, live with passion, and I'll see you on the next episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy.